this again, but this time around it's gonna be in ASMR style. This is the EBL 1.5v Lithium-Ion rechargeable battery, and it comes with the charging cable 421 2 micro USB charging cable adapter, and then come with the clear case as well. So anyway, this will be nice if you require like a 1.5 volt instead of 1.2 volt nickel metal hydride battery from other company. So let's go ahead and unbox this and then test this out. So it comes with this nice cardboard box, okay? And then here is the barcode or the UPC code number right there. And on the back here is the spec, alright? So it is a 1.5 volt and 900mWh Henry. And this battery is made in China. And it is rechargeable. You can keep on using without throwing away the battery. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Here's the QR code. So I come with the thank you card, the message, and smile. Here is the EBL instruction manual. And right here's the battery. So as you can see right here, here's the charging port for the cable to go in. So here's the charging cable right here, and then you will need to insert this into here. Make sure the wider part is on the bottom, okay, of this. Alright, just like that. It's kinda tricky to go in. Make sure you try not to force it, or it's not gonna go in. And I got my power bank right here. This is real graphene. Gonna plug into here. And as you can see, it lit up. Well, this time it lit up blue already. So that means they fully charged the battery. When it's not fully charged, the LED will stay red, okay? So that means I can start using this battery right now then. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. turn on that bell for notification or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.